Make the ground shake.
Welcome to my channel. Today I'm playing Clash of Clans again. So let's go through another war. We'll go through 3 attacks and of 3 stars and end it up for this video. So it will be kind of great if you guys hit a like, subscribe and share. And it's really awesome that I got more than 100 views on my 2 videos, and it will be great if I get 200 views on this video and more than 40 likes. So if you guys like this content, you can inform me in the comment section that we like this content, and if you guys don't like this content, you can inform me in the comment section. But you guys can leave a like. It will be really great if you guys leave a like. So this attack was really awesome. It was attacked by Katrina. I mean, the first player of our clan, the highest player of our clan. He's level 124. I mean 124, and it will be kind of great if you guys subscribe and share. So we'll do many war videos in my next videos, and I'm doing a war video with another clan called Indian Smarties. I'll show you guys their clan. So it will be kind of great if you guys hit a like, subscribe and share. And he just 3-starred it very easily. The attack was literally awesome, and the benefit was the golem was alive till the ending, and everything was going very well. The king died here, but everything gone very well, and he just 3-starred it. So we'll go through two more attacks, and I'll show you in the I'll do a live attack of war in my next attack. I'm sorry, in my next video. So it will be really great if you guys hit a like and subscribe and share. So if you guys think that I should not do more Clash of Clans, I should do something else, inform me in the comment section. But video on my Sundays, like the series will be called as Sunday with Stan, and you guys will like that content for sure, because we are doing Chubby Bunny challenge on this Sunday. You guys will watch it and you guys will like it for sure, I know that. But if you guys want to watch it, please subscribe and share and hit the bell. Like when you will subscribe, turn on notifications, that you'll get the information with that I've uploaded the video. So it will be kind of great if you guys he just 3-starred it and very easily. So let's go through another 2 videos, replays. Let's go through something, this or this. Yeah, let's go through this attack. This base is not that good, but if we make a hollow, yeah, like this he's making, if we make a hollow to enter the whole base, it's really easy to 3-star this base. And he just did it, like I said, if we make a hollow. So it will be kind of great if you guys hit a like and subscribe for this replay, because we like this replay and I'm sure you'll like this replay. So this attack was really good, but the CC troops killed one golem, that level 1 golem, and the one golem was alive. So he just 3-starred it very easily, because Valkyries is the fastest troop in the Clash of Clans. In the new update, make her very fast, the fastest troop in the COC. So it's really good. And our clanmates mostly use my Valkyries and golems. So we just 3-starred many base this time, and we are beating 2 clans in a row, and the current war also. So if you guys want to see the streak, a great streak, hit a like. And in my next video, Indian Smarties, stay tuned for that. They are very good attackers. So I'll show you the clan right now after this and another attack, and it will be kind of great if you guys hit a like for this replay, because we like this replay. And I'll show you mine attack. I did a great attack of and I 3-star base. That base was also easy, but not that easy enough to 3-star easily. I just also made the hollow in the center of the base. If you guys don't know how to attack with Golem Valkyries, watch my videos. If it will be kind of great if you guys watch my videos for Golem and Valkyrie, because we mostly use attacks of Golem and Valkyries in our clans. So in my next video I'm doing a video with Indian Smarties. They invited me for a video with them, and they are level 6 clan. They have a very great war streak, and let's go through another 3-star attack. So I think we should go with this. This attack was done by me. This is also a Golem Valkyrie attack. As I said, I made a hollow in the center, and the benefit for me was the level 5 Golem in my clan castle, and my wall breakers died in the beginning of the attack. As you can see right now, the wall breakers will die, and I thought that Archer Tower got an attention on Golem. So it was kind of weird that I was not I didn't focus on Archer Tower, and that ruined my attack. I used the king's ability to break the wall in the beginning, as you can see right now, and I wanted to deploy my Valkyries, because as fast the Valkyries will be deployed, as faster you will get the 3 stars. So if you guys don't know how to attack with this strategy, it's really weird, because this is the best strategy. Right, currently every town hall player can use it after town hall 8, because town hall 8 players also use this most frequently in wars, because the Valkyries are really awesome, really fast, really awesome. You should upgrade your Valkyries very fastly, and we really love this Valkyries. So I just kind of 3-starred this base very easily. If you guys like this content, so please inform me in the comment section that you want to see some more replays of Golem Valkyries. And thank you guys for making me this in my both of the videos. We've got enough views. Like we have very less subscriber, but we got more views on my previous 2 videos. But it will be kind of great if you guys subscribe and share. So I'm making some new intros for my channel. It will be kind of great, and we'll just send it up here. I'll show you the clan for my next video, and I just 3-starred it very easily. So for my next video, the clan will be the Indian Smarties. See their clan tag. If you guys want to join that clan, you guys can inform me in the comment section that I'll if you guys don't have enough trophies, I'll tell them, because they have a very good war log, as you can see. So we'll just end it up here. They lost this war from just 1 star. They are very good at war. So we'll just end it up here. Thank you guys for watching.